I wonder if people in Sydney see this and go like, that's the most Asian place in Sydney. I've never done anything like this, so it's kind of awkward, but you know, I think it's nice. I'm just gonna wait for the bus and then take the bus to the place and then the train to Ikea. And then over there is where I'll meet Eunhae. We ended up meeting on the bus.
Someone's wearing pink. Someone's wearing pink and I'm wearing blue. Polar opposites.
Pink bag, blue bag. Maybe not bags.
Man, how are we friends?
Going up to the platform. I wonder if people can see that.
Oh, my eyes.
This is like better doing it with another person because I was doing it by myself, like on the way to the bus stop, and then I'm just like, oh,
imagine how YouTubers feel who work on their own. They're like, yeah,
I know. It's like I got this. Okay, so that's Yoga Berry. During high school, everyone would go there. The Korean ones went to Prowse, which is like over there.
The people who weren't bothered would go over there.
Yeah, people
which
who
was me.
Yeah. But the Prowse is gone now.
I interviewed the guy who owned Prowse.
You interviewed him for
his
what?
school project. It was so funny because I was filming and then the interview went on for 6 minutes and my arms started going. And then I realized I was filming like half the cashiers, like you know the register.
Yeah.
See this much of his face. I was like, oh shit.
I need a new phone case.
I need a new screen.
Because I have this weird flappy thing and it's really annoying.
Look at that. What am I gonna do with that? You know, it was so bad I had to put like sticky tape. Hey, this tape, let me tell you, was pretty good tape. It was $2 more expensive than the other one.
Train's here. Let's go.
Chinese restaurant over there.
Let's talk about prices. Which one's cheaper?
Obviously Ikea. Like,
okay, then let's go to Ikea. So bright. I choked on my gum. We are on our way to Ikea.
I smell food.
Me too. I smell like
rice,
like Chinese food.
Let me smell such good food.
But this is the more quiet way.
Kind of.
Yeah, kind of.
It's like the dodgy area.
Yeah, the dodgy.
It's not really dodgy because it's open.
There's like lots of buildings.
Please, people in Korea like that's nothing.
Yeah.
You know, I was like on a trip with my mom and dad. I was like, "Well, that's a huge building," and my mom was like, "Dad's like, do you know what Korea's like?" I was like, "I know, it's suffocating."
여기는 잽도 안 돼. 막
Yeah. Like, 야, 이게 크다고?
Yeah.
The dad laugh. Oh. It's like basically Santa Claus but Asian.
France, be free. We've been friends since like year 8, okay? Shush.
Were we not friends in year 7?
No.
Really? I don't know time. This is why I don't do history.
Oh my god, that was so tragic. Here it is.
하지만 너가 내 노래를 듣고 내게 미안해하며 돌아오길 바래서 하고 싶은 말이 많지만 겁이 나서 내가 할 수 있는 건 이것뿐이라서 But I realize 다 소용없는 건 너는 나 같은 거 지우고 잘 살고 있는 건 뭐라 비유한 표현도 없는 너 가사에 담아내면 계속 아파하는 거 Oh no 빌어먹을 상상력은 쓸데없이 풍부해서 자꾸 다른 사람 옆에 너 머릿속에 새겨넣어 몸에 새긴 모든 타투보다 날카로운 바늘 악순환을 끊자 있는 불러도 그냥 들을 수 없
So she got vegetables. I got inside chicken. I come to IKEA, not the food area.
I come for food. when I'm poor and I want to go out.
Hers was
$7.
$7.99 or $6.99?
$6.99.
$6.99. This was $7.99. This was
$4.99.
But for any one bowl. I like the cider.
Can I try it? Is it yummy? Is it like Hanbok 탄산수 latte?
It's not as fizzy and it's not as sweet.
Am I allowed to touch or are you getting like?
I don't care.
Oh, it actually tastes like apple. Do you want to try this? I mean, you probably know what it tastes like.
I never tried coconut.
I'll try it. 맛있어. Well, for me, I like it, but a lot of people don't like it. I don't know why. Yeah. Nah, not your style.
In like the Asian supermarkets, like a cup ramen, how much is it? Like 80 cents?
If you get it the bulk pack.
But in a high school canteen, it was like $2.80.
How dare you?
It's the smaller Shin ramen cups.
It's like this, just a little thicker and shorter. That's like me when I'm compared to a model. Thicker, a little bit shorter and thicker.
Okay,
my talent.
so we finished eating, and now we're gonna
Look around for when we're gonna live together, what we're gonna use. What
Yeah.
we're gonna use.
wanna look around.
Is that too much information? Cut it out if it's too much.
You're buying clothes from Ikea.
It's $2. It's my experiment I've been working on for the last few years. This one up a little bit.
그런 슬픈 말은 하지 마요. 아마 그럴 줄은 알았는데 이젠 좀 잔잔하다 했었는데 뒤도 돌아보지 않나. 그런 마음을 낮추지 마요. 저기 다가온다 기대했는데 또 한편 언젠가는 떠나갈걸 이젠 슬쩍 봐도 알아. Comes and goes, 'cause we did this way we tried before.
I live here. It's my house.
Hey.
Join me. I love having tags.
Whatever.
It just makes me feel happy. And rich apparently.
We stuck the trains onto the train.
Oh, I'm so sad.
Oh, it's real.
I don't think we should eat it. Look at that.
Peko. I like the really big round flat mugs.
You don't go?
Oh.
I just like cups. The scents.
Candles. They have so many.
Good, good, good.
Fake flowers.
Oh, I know. I can do a Korean joke. 자, 네 얼굴 나오게 해봐. 누가 꽃인지 모르겠어. You know, like the lights turn off one by one.
Yeah.
And then you scream, and you hear a slashing noise, and then that's a horror movie for you right there.
Or like a chainsaw, like.
Yeah.
Where are we going?
I don't know. Wait, what is that real or is that a human?
Is it?
See what I mean? It's not moving. Either that person's super talented or was stupid and
I think it's probably a statue.
믿음과 소망 넘치는
이렇게
사랑의 노래.
이렇게 해맑은 애는 없습니다. 이렇게 18살 이제 조만간 19살 되는데 이렇게 해맑은 애는 없습니다.
Are you saying 나 얘랑 똑같은 일 할래? 해? 우리가 두고 갈게.
됐어.
More straighter?
아니, 딱 맞아. It's like but the light makes you come off as just like a silhouette.
Yeah,
근데 예뻐.
좀 아쉽지만 오늘 여기까지만 이 시간에 날 너무 많이 믿지.
We should come with that children when we have them.
아 좋다.
근데 진짜 여기 사람 진짜 대박이겠다. I like Lou's house.
Me too. Oh my
Her house
god.
is the best view.
Lou is Eden, by the way.
Our awesome little Eden guy. So our channel consists mainly of 3 people, which is Shin or Susan, me, Eunhae or Claire, and Terry, way over there somewhere.
Who's John?
Yeah, John. Terry's busy right now, so they're not in the video, but us 3 mainly. And she does all the editing, so we need to like clap the shit out of it.
감사합니다.
Your hands.
Oh, 감사합니다.
감사합니다. Yeah! And then I'm the one who does the weird shit like gargling with salt water and dying.
The really cute Marco.
The stupid idiot who puts salt water to her lips and goes, it's salty. Of course it's salty.
I think we're coming to the end of the road.
Really? Why? We can just keep walking.
Okay.
And Terry is the one with the aesthetics. Along with her.
The 4D 4차원.
Yeah, it's 4차원.
I think we're all 4차원. But Terry
is the most 4차원.
Yeah. She's the most bubbly.
I'm actually really quiet when you first meet me though.
I think we all are. We're all like, oh, hi. Oh, there's another kid statue. 아이고, 앉았습니다.
읽었어.
What were we talking about though? Should we talk about cosplay plans? 나야. For Smash. This one's the one that we're most excited about. For Smash, we're gonna do Mystic Messenger. Since it's like it's a Korean one. Yeah, it's because like it's a Korean game. So
You said Korean gay, and I was like,
Korean game. So we thought up of an idea of what if we do like a Hanbok version. So Hanbok is like traditional Korean clothing, yeah? Mm-hmm. Yeah. So we're thinking we should do that, but Mystic Messenger version. Yeah. So, yeah, that's what we're planning to do. So the first day,
we hope to see other Sydney cosplayers or international cosplayers. That'd be so dope.
Because we want cosplay
Yeah.
friends. Like,
it was so. So if you guys have like other cosplay ideas you need people for, we'd probably be down.
but sorry if we're awkward.
We're really awkward. Like we're chill right now because we know each other.
Yeah.
But, like when I meet you and I'm like, oh hi, yeah. I don't hate you. It's just I'm just awkward.
Yeah, we're Terry, Eunhae, and I. We're all very awkward people at first.
But we'll get along just fine once we get to know each other.
Yeah, Saturday Mystic Messenger Hanbok version, and on Sunday we'll be doing like. This is inspired by some fan art I found. We'll be doing like. How to explain it? Like spy version, Mystic Messenger.
Kinda.
So like, cause 707 is a hacker, but instead of his like normal like hoodie and everything, we have like the
military.
Yeah, the
like,
kind of
the special
CIA.
Force,
Yeah. That kind of feeling to it.
But I might not be there. So.
You won't be there on Sunday. Oh yeah, on
sure.
Sunday.
I'm
yeah.
not sure. I might be there, but Terry and Shin will definitely be there. So have fun with them too.
I'll be Saeran, and then Terry will be 707.
I'll be Yoosung on a Saturday at least.
It's gonna be so fun.